here to talk about this restaurant, which is now again reopened in a new form because it was a Peppy coffee shop before. Now, extremely happy to be a part of something which I always visited when I was in my college. Now, on a different note, I think this restaurant should do very well because it's in the heart of the city, and I'm sure the chef always been doing a great job for this restaurant. So. I wish all the good luck. I've come out with my debut movie this Friday that's titled Music Magic, which runs on the background of music, and it's opened in almost about 100 theaters now. So we're so far doing pretty good. So need all your blessings and love. So please go to watch the movie and support me, and so that I'll be entertaining you more and more. So this is something we're doing for the first time in Telugu, and I play a character of a rock star whose passion is all music, and who lives for music and who loves music and eventually dies for music. But he doesn't die in the movie, but that is his level of passion. So the whole script runs on a college background, and it's an out and out comedy movie. We've got a lot of new songs, rock songs being introduced with a classical touch in it, and few one rap song being introduced. So I think we should make a mark, and obviously it's a trendsetter film. So I'm hoping for the best. It feels great, ma'am, because it's always the camera which has been attracting me, and I feel extremely proud to be such a beautiful project. I always believed in the script and the director who trained me and made me a rock star in the movie, because professionally I'm a doctor, so but playing a rock star is a different character altogether. So it feels amazing, and the opening was pretty good. I watched myself in all the multiplexes. I think. From where I've been going to the multiplexes since childhood. Now I go and watch my own movies, so it feels great. I always wanted to be an actor, but the acting is such a profession which demands a lot of faith from your family, because if family doesn't support you, you can't reach anywhere. So I have decided to be an actor once I finished my MBBS, because I always wanted to be a doctor more than anything. So when I eventually became one and I started working with the government, post that I cracked into a few offers and running around offices, and happened to meet these great people of my life, say be it my producer Mr. Palem Srikanth Reddy or my director Mr. Mantrakshar. So that's how I cracked into this project. So thank you so much, all the best to you.